So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a Bantu knot look on short hair using my DIY okra gel, and these are the two combs that I'll be using majorly. So obviously I'm going to start by undoing these twists that I have worn for about a week now, and I also used okra gel when I was doing these twists. As the title suggests, you guys clicked here because you also wanted to know the pros and cons of using okra gel. So should I start with the pros or the cons? Let's do it with the cons. So as I'm doing my hair, you guys, as I undid my hair, I realized the curls were popping just because when I put in these twists, I did not intend to do a twist out, because I have never actually achieved a nice twist out. I don't know why, but things always turn out not so nice. This will be the second time I will be doing Bantu knots. The first time, yeah, the knots looked good, but did the knot out look good?
No!
So I realized that the curls were really defined. Anyway, so con number one is smelly hair. Con number two is itchiness. Con number three will be bacteria stroke mold buildup. And also you can't just travel with it. You can't travel with it. You guys, the good news is that these cons only work with the pre-cooked okra gel, the one that's made with that method of cooking, because the cooking gives room for the bacteria. Actually, all these cons are connected in a way, because the boiling gives room for the bacteria to build up. When the bacteria builds up, yet you've left it on your scalp for a very long time, then the itchiness will be caused, and then also the bad smell. But actually, there are some things that I add to my okra to prevent the bad smell. So I talk about the things that I add in my previous video, so you guys should make sure to watch the video so that you can know how you can prevent your gel from smelling. So I'm actually showing you guys how I'm going to be parting my hair while making the Bantu knots. Some of the cons I mentioned in this video I've actually never experienced. I don't know whether I'm just lucky or my hair loves being dirty, but I've always used okra gel since I discovered it about 2 months ago, I think. And the okra gel has been working nice for me. My hair hasn't been itching. It's not forming the flakes like the Eco Styler that I used to use before. So yeah, we are going on well with that. So if you guys don't know, the cooked okra gel has a lifespan of 3 days before it goes rancid, and the frozen one, if you choose to freeze your okra gel, it will take about 1 to 2 months. Yeah. So moving on to the pros of okra gel. Firstly, the okra gel contains vitamin A, C, and K, and also other nutrients that are good for your hair. Yeah, my hair has actually improved. It feels stronger. I haven't experienced breakage in a while. Yeah, so the retention, I'm going on well with it. Okra gel also helps get rid of dandruff. So if you have dandruff issues on your scalp, you should really give it a try. Like for me, you guys notice that in this video I did not wet my hair, I did not wash it, I just got it straight from the twists and combed it back. But I had no product build up, and I had no dirt, I had no flakes and anything. Okra gel really softens the hair when used. It helps in detangling the hair. Those are two pros in one. It softens your hair and makes it easy for the comb to just swoosh through. While detangling, when you use it, you will really find detangling simpler. Also, if you have dense hair. And also, last but not least, okra gel moisturizes dry scalp and hair. So when you use it, it leaves your hair feeling moisturized as well as the scalp, and so it will promote your hair growth. Among very many other things, the okra gel also helps in curl definition. So when you use it oftenly, you will realize that your curl definition will be proper, like your curls will be defined very well. You will know the curl pattern, and all that. So thinking about the fact that you can leave aloe vera gel on your hair for a long time, I think when you put the fresh okra gel on your hair, it's also fine, and that's what I did for this. So let me try this the third time for you guys to see clearly. But one thing you should really keep in mind is that every time you twist, you have to push it below. Who else knows how it feels like to reach the last bit, braid or twist? It's really relaxing. And one major thing about these Bantu knots, I'll be mentioning this in my next video, where I'll reveal how the knot out looked and also talking about the pros and cons of the Bantu knots, so watch out. You guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you for watching till this far.